Looking for a fast and simple way to price out lawn care? Here's how to get an instant quote from bioLawn. Start by going to getbiolawn.com and then clicking on our Get Instant Quote button at the top. Here, you're going to enter your address into the system, and once you find that, go ahead and select it and then click Get My Quote. Now the system's going to start mapping your property, and while it does that, we just ask for some simple contact information. Once you're done selecting that information, you can hit this confirm button and it will show you your property as it's mapped out. Now, most people find that the system maps pretty accurately, but if you need to make some changes, for example, if you only want the front yard or backyard treated, you can click this edit button and make those changes. Once you're comfortable with the map, you can click continue. Here, the system's going to show you the different programs we offer and the overall pricing for the year of those services. So you can go ahead and select which services you'd like to get for the upcoming year. So I'll go ahead and select this. At this point, you can click the Proceed to Checkout button. When you're in the checkout screen, you're going to see a few things. You're going to see the contact information that you had entered. You're going to see a box for instructions in case you have something specific you want to let us know about your property. Then on the right-hand side, you're going to see the services you selected and the total price for the year. Now, as we go down, you're also going to see different payment options we offer, so you can select which one of those is most appropriate for you. Now, at this point, if you'd like to move forward, simply fill out your credit card information and click the Confirm Order button. If you're not quite ready to move forward, that's okay. You can go ahead and click the Close button, and this will return you to our website. At this point, we will follow up to see if you have any additional questions or if we can provide any additional information. So getting a quote on getbiolawn.com is a very simple way to find out your lawn care price. Give it a try today by going to getbiolawn.com.